Hello everyone, welcome to Kedar Academy. Friends, in this video today we will discuss about famous Indian personalities and their nickname quiz. If you prepare any competitive exam, then this video will be more informative and helpful for your upcoming exams. I have a request to all of you, if you visit first time our channel, then subscribe our channel and press bell icon all notification to never miss an update. So let's start. Today's first question is, who is known as the father of Indian cinema? Right answer is option B, Dada Saheb Phalke. Dada Saheb Phalke is known as the father of Indian cinema. Let's more know about this topic. Dhundiraj Govind Phalke, popularly known as Dada Saheb Phalke. Who is known as Dhundiraj Govind Phalke is known as Dada Saheb Phalke. Okay. Next question. Who is known as the Flying Sikh of India? Right answer is option C, Milkha Singh. Milkha Singh is known as the Flying Sikh of India. Next question. Who is known as the father of the nation? Right answer is option B, Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi is known as the father of the nation. Let's more know about this topic. Mahatma Gandhi's full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi and he is also popularly known as Bapuji. Okay. Next question. Which Gupta ruler is known as the Napoleon of India? Right answer is option D, Samudragupta. Samudragupta is known as the Napoleon of India. Very important question. Next question. Who is known as the father of the Indian nuclear program? Right answer is option B, Homi Jahangir Baba. Homi Jahangir Baba is known as the father of the Indian nuclear program. Okay. Next question. Who is known as the Grand Old Man of India? Right answer is option A, Dadabhai Naroji. Dadabhai Naroji is known as the Grand Old Man of India. Next question. Who is known as the Birdman of India? Very important question. Right answer is option A, Salim Ali. Salim Ali is known as the Birdman of India. Let's more know about this topic. Salim Moizuddin Abdul Ali is known as Birdman of India. He was an ornithologist and naturalist. Okay. He was the first Indian man who conducted systematic bird survey across India. Remember this name? What? Salim Moizuddin Abdul Ali or Salim Ali is known as Birdman of India. Next question. Who is known as Deshbandhu? Right answer is option C, Chittaranjan Das. Chittaranjan Das is known as Deshbandhu. Okay. Next question. Who is known as Iron Man of India? Very important question. Right answer is option C, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is known as Iron Man of India. Let's more know about this topic. India's first Home Minister and also the first Deputy Prime Minister, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, popularly known as the Iron Man of India. Okay. The world's tallest statue, which is known as Statue of Unity, its height, remember, 182 meter, is located in Narmada district, Gujarat, India. It is the statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Okay. Next question. Which Indian cricketer is known as Master Blaster? He is none other than the god of Indian cricket. Option A, Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Tendulkar is known as Master Blaster. Okay. Let's discuss other option. Virat Kohli, you may also better know. Virat Kohli known as Run Machine. Rahul Dravid known as The Wall. And Sunil Gavaskar is known as Little Master. Okay. Next question. Which Indian hockey player known as the magician or wizard of hockey? Right answer is option D, Major Dhyan Chand. Major Dhyan Chand is known as magician or wizard of hockey. Okay. Next question. Who is known as the Nightingale of India? Right answer is option B, Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu is known as Nightingale of India. Let's more know about this topic. Sarojini Naidu was the first female to become governor of Indian state Uttar Pradesh. Okay. Next question. Who is known as the missile man of India? Very important question. Right answer is option B, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam is known as the missile man of India. Let's more know about this topic. Abul Pakir Jainuluddin Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam was an Indian aerospace scientist who served as the 11th President of India from 2002 to 2007. Okay. He is known as the Missile Man of India for his work on the development of ballistic missile and launch vehicle technology in India. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Remember his full name. Very, very important. What? Abul Pakir Jainuluddin Abdul Kalam. Okay. He is known as Missile Man of India. Okay. Next question. Who is known as the Iron Lady of India? Right answer is option C. Indira Gandhi. Former Prime Minister and former first female Prime Minister Indira Gandhi is known as Iron Lady of India. Okay. Next question. Which Indian cricketer is known as the Haryana Hurricane? Right answer is option A. Kapil Dev. Kapil Dev is known as the Haryana Hurricane. Okay. Next question. Which Indian athlete is known as the Payal Express, Udan Pari and the Queen of Indian Track and Field? Right answer is option B. PT Usha. Remember his name. PT Usha is known as Payal Express, Udan Pari and the Queen of Indian Track and Field. Okay. Next question. Who was known as the Tiger of Mysore? Right answer is option D. Tipu Sultan. Tipu Sultan is known as the Tiger of Mysore. Okay. Next question. Who was popularly known as Netaji? Right answer is option B. Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose is known as Netaji. Next question. Who is known as the Missile Woman of India? Right answer is option A. Tessie Thomas. Tessie Thomas is known as the Missile Woman of India. Let's more know about this topic. Tessie Thomas is an Indian scientist and Director General of Aeronautical Systems and the former Project Director for Agni-4 missile in Defense Research and Development Organization DRDO. Okay. She is the first ever woman scientist to head a missile project in India. Remember her name? What? Tessie Thomas. Tessie Thomas is known as the Missile Woman of India. Okay. Next question. Who is known as the Cyclone Man of India? Right answer is option A. Dr. Mrutyunjay Mahapatra. Dr. Mrutyunjay Mahapatra is known as the Cyclone Man of India. Let's more know about this topic. Dr. Mrutyunjay Mahapatra currently serving as Director General of India Meteorological Department IMDDG. Okay. IMDDG name Dr. Mrutyunjay Mahapatra, who is known as the Cyclone Man of India. Okay. Next question. Who is known as the Forest Man of India? Right answer is option B. Jadab Payeng. What? Jadab Payeng is known as the Forest Man of India. Next question. Who is known as the father of Green Revolution in India? Right answer is option C. M.S. Swaminathan. M.S. Swaminathan is known as the father of Green Revolution in India. Okay. Next question. Who is known as the father of the White Revolution in India? Right answer is option A. Verghese Kurien. Remember his name? Verghese Kurien is known as the father of White Revolution in India. Okay. Next question. Who is known as Punjab Kesari? Right answer is option A. Lala Lajpat Rai. Lala Lajpat Rai is known as Punjab Kesari. Let's discuss other option. Bal Gangadhar Tilak is known as Lokmanya. Bipin Chandra Pal is known as the father of revolutionary thought in India and he is also known as the Bengal Tiger. Okay. Jayaprakash Narayan is known as the Lokon Nayak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak known as Lokmanya and Jayaprakash Narayan is known as the Lokon Nayak. Okay. Next question. Who is known as the Rocket Man of India? Very, very important question. Right answer is option A. Dr. K. Shivan. Dr. K. Shivan is known as the Rocket Man of India. For your kind information, Dr. K. Shivan is a space scientist and currently serving chairman of ISRO. Full form of ISRO is Indian Space Research Organization. Okay. Friends, I hope this video will be more informative for your upcoming exams. I have a request to all of you. Please like this video and share with your friend. If you visit first time our channel, then subscribe our channel and press bell icon all notification to never miss an update. If you want to get this PDF, then join our Telegram group, which link is given this video description link. Okay, you can also follow our Instagram page at @KedarAcademy. See you next video. Jai Hind.